up. God, he got that last one.
So we just got here. There's snows on this pond that we got permission on. We're gonna kill some birds today. Golly, freaking mallards too.
I think you're right. We can get in those trees or something and work both directions.
That's a lot of birds on that water. All set up. We got 4 dozen decoys sitting back in these trees. Got some geese right here. These birds. Well, we had those geese come right over us. Dropped one of them. They hit one and it fell over there. So we got 2 out of that group. These geese want to go feed. They're not wanting to come to this pond. Obi, come on. Bird. It's too deep, buddy. Go get it. Bring it back. It ain't deep. Come on, bird. Bring it back. Good boy. Come on. That thing's bigger than you. Come on. Good boy. Yes, sir. Bring it back. Come on. Come on. Bring it back. Bring it back. Good boy, Obi. Yes, sir. Good boy. That's a nice goose right there, fellas. Your first goose, buddy. What do you think? It's as big as you, man.
Come up.
Take a look at this widgeon, guys. Look how pretty this thing is. Pop. Dead. Ton of geese over us. Just had no movement in the water. We move spots. We got birds all around us.
Get up!
No. One flew over. Good boy. Come on, come on. Bring him back. Attaboy.
No, they were.
Well, guys, Logan's a little out of practice. That canvas back came in right over his head. He missed it. How many times shoot? 7?
Yeah, because I had my floor being.
What do you think about that, Joe?
You take what you can get.
Shocker?
Man. You take what you can get. Yeah, shocker.
Yeah.
Take him.
More daddy!
Nice.
Hey, we got a moving decoy now, boy. Hey. Well, we shot the goose. It has been slow this morning. This guy right here is bad luck, I guess. He's about as big as you. Single mauer came in. Was relying on Logan to video, but I guess pressing the button's too hard for him. He missed the duck too. Joe shot at the same time and he hit him. What you got, sister?
I think I'm out of like 12.
What are the words you got to say?
Wish he was closer.
Well, are you claiming you hit that duck?
I am.
Are you?
I think me and Joe both hit him.
I didn't pull the trigger.
You didn't?
When the going gets tough, just keep on going. Here's this morning's haul. We're gonna come back after we eat. Alright, so it's about 1:30 right now. We have 11 ducks down, all drakes. We have 3 geese, if we can get it done, but we've really gotten into the greenheads today, so hopefully that keeps up this evening. We'll get a limit. See what happens. We're laying in the layout blinds tonight. It's our setup right here. Layout blinds. About a ewe of mallards, a few pintail, a Joe, and the geese over here. Got some behind us. We should be coming from that away. This is how Obi sits in this layout blind with me. He loves it. Just curls up at the feet. Never know he's there.
Where did he come from? At the sky. Dude, that was so quiet. I lost him.
I never heard a goose be that quiet. That guy just snuck in. Joe headshot him. What's his head look like?
Sometimes I think my shooting ability is eye-popping.
That's a good bird, boy. Number 9.
Catch it. Oh. Fuck him up. God, he got that last one. Woo! He ran right by that. Hey, shoot those, Joe. Shoot him in front of us.
Well, we just had that group of honkers come in. We slayed them. There's 3 of us. We knocked down 8 big honkers. Freaking pond is lined with bodies, baby. This is a monster honker, man. That was awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just one shell. That's probably me.
Shoot him.
Catch it.
Oh, mallard drake down. That's a good way tonight, man.
We could have busted a lot more ducks if we didn't.
Over.
Yeah.
Ready to go home?
We should have shot a little higher on those last couple groups, but